Welcome to the rheumatoid factor simulation. In this simulation, you'll diagnose a patient sample for rheumatoid arthritis. Begin by selecting either the practice or test mode. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers no feedback. First, you'll prepare a sample for analysis. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. After preparing your sample, select the Analyze button to view the results. Choose the Check Answer button to evaluate your answers. The New Sample button provides you with a different patient sample. Make sure you do not select this button until you've completed your evaluation of the current sample.